this is more like it. I've got nothing against rain, for obvious reasons, but enough is enough. So where to?
I'd say over there might be a good start.
Mekla.
And Ramasura.
For Jinho?
For Jinho.
You're being completely unreasonable.
I'm being unreasonable?
Maybe we should let them work it out and come back later?
Well, how can it be my fault if I don't even know what we're fighting about?
That's why we're fighting, because you can't remember anything.
That's ridiculous.
Now you're calling me ridiculous?
Huh?
Who are you?
We saw the lights on. Thought we'd drop in for a nice hot cup of tea.
Thought you'd invite some guests over for dinner the last moment, did you? Well, I ain't cooking for them.
Huh? That's it. I'm sick of this. If you're not gonna tell me why you're so angry, I'm leaving.
Then you can take this with you.
This is my wedding present to you.
I don't want any part of you anymore.
Fine. Goodbye forever. And good riddance.
Well, at least they stopped fighting.
That was the worst flight I've had since you ate that bad dim sum, but it was worth it. The Cloud Palace, home to Mekla and Ramasura. What's this? Ramasura leaving? With the Thunder Axe and the Lightning Ball? When I get my hands on them, I'll freeze the elements and capture them all!